Hi everyone, this is Tina again from Karmani Foundation. I'm here to give you an update on Foxy. The latest is that health-wise, report-wise, blood report-wise, she's all right, but she's extremely traumatized. I mean, a doggy who usually is so friendly and loves human beings is taking her time to trust the people in the hospital, which is not like her at all. This is what it does to them. I mean, I don't know if anyone's ever going to understand what she's probably going through right now, but we're fighting for her. We're there for her. We did lodge a complaint with the police. The police are hesitant to take an FIR lodged right now, but they say that if they find something in the CCTV footage, if they find any suspectful person, they will lodge an FIR on that person. So they have been coming for the last 1.5 days to sit with us through the CCTV to try and see if we can find something. But I have my doubts. I don't think anyone is going to do anything in front of the CCTV, right? And if we don't find something, doesn't mean it has not happened. That's the whole point. I mean, I don't know what the future of this FIR is, but I want it done because I want to safeguard and spread awareness for Foxy and many more like her. I don't even know if I'll be able to get her back to her original location, which she calls home, because that threat is always looming over us, and I'm always going to be afraid that someone's going to do something to her all over again. And it's not just about Foxy. There are other female dogs in that area as well. So yeah, I mean, I don't know where this is headed right now. I'm getting support, a lot of support from a lot of you, and I really, really am thankful and grateful for it. The police are cooperating in the sense they are sending somebody to look through CCTV, but that's about it. The complaint that I have lodged, they have signed on it and given me a copy of it, but there's no FIR that's been lodged yet. And I really want that FIR because I know only then will they be liable for a response and an explanation and all of that. So let's see where this heads. Pray for Foxy, send her lots of love, healing. That's what she needs right now. And thank you once again for your support.